Hello everyone, welcome back to Angelo Business Solution. In our previous video, we learned about business intelligence is and why Microsoft Power BI is one of the most powerful tools for data analysis. So today, we continue our biggest series by exploring the Power BI Desktop interface. So if you just install Power BI and open it for the first time, don't worry. If it looks confusing, by the end of this video, you understand what uh, every important section does and where you use it in Power BI journey. So let's get started. So, so the first option is blank report. So as you can see, so this creates a new Power BI report from scratch. We will use this option whenever we want to build a new dashboard. And since we're starting our Power BI journey, let's click the blank report. So next is the OneLake catalog. This is used by organizations that store and share data in Microsoft Cloud environment. If you are just learning Power BI, you don't need to worry about this yet. So we focus on local files first. So next is the Excel workbook. So this option lets you import data directly from Microsoft Excel. So since many companies store their data in Excel, so this is one of the most commonly used option in Power BI. So we will use this in our next lesson. So SQL Server, this option connects Power BI directly to a SQL Server database, and large business often store millions of records in database. So instead of Excel files, Power BI can connect directly to those databases for a real-time analysis. So, so learn with sample data. So if you don't have your own data set yet, so Microsoft provides sample data that you can use for practice. So this is the great way for beginner to learn Power BI. So get data from other sources. So Power BI can connect to hundreds of different data sources. So, for example, CBS files, PDF files, SharePoint, Google BigQuery, Oracle, and MySQL. So, Azure, WebPage, and Salesforce. So, one of Power BI biggest strength is that it can combine data from many different systems into one report. So, recommended section. So below that, you'll see the recommended section. So Microsoft provide tutorials, learning sources, and recent open reports here. So if you're new to Power BI, these resources can help you learn. So recent files at the bottom of the screen. So you find your recent files. So as you can see, so this is all my files. So here, so yep, left navigation panel on the left side, you'd notice two options. So home and open. So home returns you to the welcome page, and open opens an existing Power BI reports, and you use this frequently as you work on a different project. Before we continue, now that we understand the welcome screen, let's click the blank report. So this one. And in this part of this video, I explain the main Power BI workspace, including home ribbon, report view, data view, model view, visualization pane, data pane, and filter pane. So these are tools you use to build professional dashboards.